you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. We have a limited edition box by LookFantastic. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the limited edition hair box. LookFantastic did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys know I love when they do their limited edition or their holiday boxes. They're so exciting and they're always so worth the value. This one right here does come in this large pink box. This is normally $35, but I do have a link down below that'll take $10 off your box. So if you do want this to gift it for yourself or for another, you can definitely check it out, and you can get this box for only $25. It is going to have a $95 value inside, and there will be 8 premium hair products. So let's go ahead and dive in and see which 8 hair products are going to be inside. So when you first open it up, here is their brochure right on top, and it'll go over the items inside of the box. Yes, it will. Does it give pricing? Yes, it sure does. So when you first open up the box, it looks like this. That's what it looks like inside. I'm so excited, especially for your hair. Right now in this time of the year, it's good to get some good products for your hair because the sun, the humidity, the heat, all of that is not really too good for our hair. So that's really cool that they came out with a limited edition hair box. So it says in here about the box: the LookFantastic June Hero Edit is a curated main attraction of our editor favorites, award-winning bestsellers, and hair queen must-haves. Enjoy your summer with this limited edition hair care collection that's meant to detoxify, hydrate, and give you strength as the temps rise. And we all let our hair down. From scalp to ends, wash to blowout, our June Hero Edit is saving your hair this summer. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have. So the first item is this, and this is a big size product. It says Scene is the brand, Blowout Cream, Deluxe 5 fluid ounce. Yeah, 5 fluid ounces. This is a deluxe size. Holy moly, that's huge. I'd hate to see what the big version is, but this is valued for $24 for this size right here. It says smooth hair shouldn't mean stressed skin. And it does say that it says dermatologist designed hair care won't clog pores. And Scene Blowout Cream creates shiny, smooth hair that resists frizz and damage from heat styling or UVs, while removing hidden irritants and pore clogging ingredients. That sounds like a really good product. Apply a dime to quarter size amount onto damp hair, roots to ends. Blow dry, heat style as preferred. Body bounce control and shine. Get serious blowout results. Your hair will be protected from heat, pollution, and UV damage, giving a beautiful shine. So that is a really cool product. And again, this is valued for $24. Okay, so number 2 is wrapped in plastic. Let me remove that. So that's what it looks like without the plastic. This says IMBUE is the brand. Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. Deluxe, again, a deluxe. And this looks like a full-size product. 3.38 fluid ounce. This lightweight hydrating serum unleashes and enhances your natural curl pattern, protecting against humidity for a longer lasting curl definition without the frizz. It absorbs instantly into the hair to plump and define from the inside out. How to use: smooth throughout clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends. You could also use on dry hair while styling for extra smoothness. And you guys, that's a big bottle for a deluxe. Holy moly. So that is really neat. Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. And this is valued for $13. Number 3, we have an Olaplex item. You guys, I absolutely love Olaplex. So I'm so glad to see this in here. I don't think I've ever seen Olaplex in a box before. So that is so cool. This is number 3 hair protector, repairs and strengthens all hair types. And this is a deluxe 20 ml, and this is valued for $8.50. Use once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. Apply on damp, towel-dried hair from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo, and condition as normal. So it's something that you put on before you shampoo and condition, and you leave it on for at least 10 minutes and then rinse it off. This concentrated treatment reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair by repairing damage and protecting hair structure, restoring a healthy appearance and texture. So again, I'm so glad to see that in here, and that's valued for $8.50. So now we're gonna go with the number 4. This is the 4th item, so we're halfway down, and this is Kristoff Robin Salt Scrub. This is a deluxe 40 ml, and this retail values for $8.48. This sea salt scrub is an effective natural exfoliator that cleanses, removes impurities, and restores balance to the scalp. The grains stimulate microcirculation in the scalp to supply the maximum amount of nutrients to the hair, restoring optimal hydration levels for refreshed, shiny, clean hair. How to use? Use as a shampoo by applying a small amount to wet hair. Delicately massage the scalp. Add a small amount of water, lather, and then rinse thoroughly. So you have a purifying salt scrub for your scalp. And again, that is valued for $8.48. So 4 more left. Let's go with number 5. Here is the 5th one right here, and this is a Theora Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Conditioner. This is a mini 1.35 fluid ounce, and this is valued for $12. Perfect for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. This conditioner, formulated with Caviar, bonds enforcing technology, seals, and protects hair that has even been damaged through chemical process or physical stress. How to use? After cleansing, massage throughout wet hair, then rinse thoroughly to repair and protect your hair. So product number 6 is from Philip B. This is Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. That sounds interesting. Peppermint is like calming, and it does feel good on my scalp. I love whenever there's like a peppermint or like a cooling agent. And then the avocado I know is really good for our hair. This is a deluxe 2 fluid ounce valued for $15. Formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts, this clarifying shampoo clears away unwanted oils and residue without stripping and creates a tightly cooling sensation to invigorate your scalp. So it does have the cooling agent. That is so cool. How to use? Shake well and apply to wet hair and scalp. Massaging with your fingertips from scalp to ends. Leave for 1 to 3 minutes and then rinse. So that's cool. You get to try this brand, and if you like it, you can purchase the shampoo and conditioner. Let me smell that, because that sounds like it's going to be interesting. The peppermint and avocado. Ooh. To me, it just smells like toothpaste. It smells like a peppermint toothpaste. That's what it smells like to me. But that'll be cool. I can't wait to try that guy out. So this product right here is the 7th item. It says Tangle Teezer Professional Detangling Hairbrush, Wet and Dry. The original mini. So that's what it looks like right there. This is the original mini in pink bubblegum, a full size. Retail values for $10. Using Tangle Teezer patent 2-tiered regular flex technology, this travel-friendly brush removes tangles and reduces breakage, so you'll have smooth, frizz-free hair anywhere you go. How to use? After towel drying your hair, start by detangling the ends and work your way up until you can easily brush from roots to ends. And again, that's valued for $10. Okay, so the last and final item for this box, you guys, is right here. This says it's by Hush and Hush Deeply Rooted Supplement. There's 4 capsules in here, and it retail values for $6 for the 4 capsules. This hair health supplement harnesses the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patent ingredients to stop thinning hair and hair loss. It combats signs of aging, nourishes the follicles, and promotes scalp health for strong, healthy hair. How to use? Take 4 capsules daily, preferably with a meal or as recommended by a physician. So you take 4 of them per day. So this is a 1-day supply for $6. Wow, alrighty then. Does it give us any information, like how much like How much biotin is in here? That's what I want to know. Yeah, there's vitamin A, C, D, B12. The biotin has 2,500 mcgs. There's zinc. Wow, okay, so there's a lot of good vitamins in here for your hair. It says promotes hair growth, which that's cool, creates a healthy scalp, increases shine, and adds volume and density. Too bad you really couldn't tell like with one day what it was going to be, but at least you can try them out. And you take 4 of them a day, and then you can get the big bottle that would look like that if you do like them. So that is everything that came in this limited edition hair box for 2021. Going over a real quick recap, we have the 4 hair supplements that you can take, the capsules. You have a full-size wet hairbrush. You have an Olaplex product, which I'm so excited to see that in there. You have a hair scalp product, and then you have a shampoo. You have a bond repair. You have the curl energizing hydration serum. And then this right here is the blowout cream. So that is everything that came in this box. So what did you guys think of the products that they put in this hair box? Again, it's normally $35. If you follow my link, you can get it for $25. I feel that's a really good deal, especially to help your hair for the summer months with the UV, the heat, the humidity, all of that good stuff. You can get this for yourself. You can get it for a gift. You can do both, whatever you would like. I will link them down below if you'd like to go check them out. So yeah, you guys comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the products in this box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.